What's up? Hey guys, it's Ivan. In this video, I want to show you how to rearrange your storefront listings in Teespring. I contacted Teespring. They said there is no way to do it. So there is no easy way of dragging, okay, I want number 4 to be number 1, number 5 to be number 2. No, never mind. I want number 5 to be number 5 again. You cannot do that. But there is a hack that allows you to rearrange it somewhat. So better than nothing, okay? And that's what I want to show you how to do in this video. So log into your Teespring account, go to Storefronts and click on the little pencil icon right over here. So here we have all our products, right? Pay attention, shirt, mug, hoodie, right? You can add new products, right? So as you create products, you just click add and you add them. I don't have anything here. Nothing new, that is. So here's all the products, right? Shirt, mug, hoodie. Now, let's suppose I want the hoodie and the mug to be at the top. What do I do? Well, I'm going to click this little bookmark bar, okay? And that's how I'm going to rearrange it. So let's suppose I want this one. We're going to click done. Now over here, it's not going to show anything, but again, remember the order: shirt, mug, hoodie, shirt, mug, hoodie, okay? Now let's go to the store and see what happens now that we've done that. Mug, hoodie, shirt, okay? So because we put these two at the top, they are at the top. This might not be super useful if you have 5 products like I do, but if you have 30 products and you create a new one and you're saying, wow, this is the best product, I want everybody to see this one first because it's so good, this is what you would do. You would simply put a little bookmark. You might be asking, does it matter the order in which I put the bookmark? If I put the mug first and hoodie first versus if I put hoodie first versus mug first, does that matter? The answer is no. So if I come back here and I select the hoodie and mug first and I click done and we hit refresh, the order doesn't matter, unfortunately. Okay, so there's no way to bypass this. Like I said, Teespring doesn't have a way to reorder. You can't just go in and, go step by step. I tried it. I tried putting in different orders. You can't. I don't know why. But make sure to message Teespring and give them a little feature request, because this is a question I've been getting a lot. And I don't see why they don't do it, why they don't let us just rearrange our products if we have a ton. But this is as close as you can get to it. Remember, the order in which you highlight them doesn't matter. This just allows you to arrange your best products or ones that you want to be seen at the very top. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you will like my Facebook ads and my Unbounce playlist, where I teach you how to create a landing page from scratch and then promote it on Facebook ads. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next video.